nagkakargahan talaga yung depensa. You have to have that pressure release when it comes to your offense. Talking about LSGH. Kasi yan ang mangyayari. Kakargahan ka nila defensively. Tatanggalin ka nila dun sa yung mga attack points and points of attack. Yung slice mo on the floor. Ando dun yung health at ganyan sila ka-active.
Luna with a stealing score. Reminiscent of the final moments of Game 2. Anticipating the pass and scoring the deuce. All of a sudden, it's Perpetual ahead by 5. Makes Osis penetrating that time, able to draw the foul. And this is the Perpetual that we know. This is how they became the #1 team in the league.
They are #1 team when it comes to turnover points. They are #1 when it comes to fast break points. They are #1 when it comes to tempo and pace. Di man ganun karami yung mga outside shooters nila. Bilang lang. Parang walang kailangang pag-isipan. Alam mo na kung saan ka pupunta.
Matik ano. Rosales speaking of, first shot is good. That's Rosales draining the triple and Perpetual stretches the lead to 6.
Ito ang important dito. Tabayanan natin, how will Kines get his touches?
Gian Gomez finally getting one to go in. And Gian Gomez go ahead 3 in game number 2 to give them a late lead.
Yep, same look as what JD Pagulayan had. Strong side attack.
Speaking of JD, malakas para kay JD Pagulayan.
Pero kailangan busugin mo to. Ito yung alam mong shot maker mo from the outside. Kailangan bigyan mo ng bigyan.
Kita ko yung kumpiyansa dito. A screen, quick turn, and the hit from Dan Rosales. Pero sa kabila, Gian Gomez, he's been trying to find his first 2 points. Finally
taking away the main point of attack ng LSGH. Yeah. Question is, can LSGH fabricate looks for the other guys?
Oh, look at that. Gorgeous move coming from Gian Gomez. And this guy is taking matters into his own hands to bring the Greenies back in it. Ian Zanoria called for the foul with Gian Gomez now. Again, this guy is taking on the scoring responsibilities. Gomez with another basket to tie the game. And quickly answered on the other end by Chandler Luna.
They would put pressure on you, talking about Perpetual. They don't care. Oh, at doon na naman, tatlong tao naka-blanket. And they force a turnover here. Good luck.
Ortega, yes!
Ang madiin maglaro itong Ortega. Dale Ortega. He would be a small forward when he goes to college.
Step in 3! Rosales with his second 3-point bomb in the first. Kines, oh! Denied by LeBron James dive.
Great help side there. But that was the opportunity for Gillian Kines. So nakikita mo na tatlong tao yung ibibigay. Pero how about this move? Woo! Spinning away from the defense and shooting it over the outside na sinasandigan ni Coach Job.
That's right. Here is Rosales. Kayangan will pull the trigger and knock down a triple. I see. Has 7 points here in the first. Gomez, no. Gomez comes up with it. Gian Gomez, another fade, gets the bounce that time. This guy is on a roll. He's got 9 points in the first.
Playing the game of his life. Ito yung mga matatandaan mo pagka nag-reunion kayo. Nalala mo pare yung Game 3?
Binigay niya. Oh, Rosales! Ano? That's for boost, rather.
So,
hitting it from the corner.
At yung mga bonus things na nabibigay ng mga defensive stoppers ni Coach Job Cleopas. 9 points coming off Corpus and Rosales. Tatlong 3-pointers yan.
So the game plan for the Greenies right now is just ride the hot hand of Gomez. Meantime, this is good ball movement for the Altas. Oh! Both corners covered by Jim Corpus.
Whoever makes more 3-pointers wins the ball game. Nail it. That's the third point. I've been stressing last game. Nail it. Open threes, you have to nail. And the role players of Perpetual is already good pass. Medyo mataas pa nga. Yeah. But right at the shooting pocket, pagkasalo, let it fly. Pero dito ang disadvantage naman niya. when it comes to defense, medyo mabigat yung kailangan niyang itulak. There you go.
Rebound. Contested. Luna has it. Luna is running with it. Here's the kickoff. Rosales will drive. Sending it out. Corpus. Kaboom! Jim Corpus with his third triple here in the game, and a booming end to the first frame for the Perpetual Junior Altas. They are threatening to run away with it.
Pag pinanood nyo, yung napapagaling yung team niya. Gumagaling yung kakampi niya, nakakakontrol sila. Hindi nakakascore sa kanila at nalalamangan nila yung kalaban. Yun, basic.
For a more simple explanation, Kines getting into the passing lane. 4-on-1, Kines with the left hand.
You gotta get him going, Gillian Kines.
First field goal for Kines, and he's only taken 3 shots so far. Rosales misses that time. Ball goes to the Greenies. Let's check out what happened here. Kines, just interfering, disrupting that play. And it ends with his first basket here in Game 3.
Yung yutok ginamit ni Coach Renden. Again, he had a really good game last game.
Oh, what a spin, but blocked by LeBron. Second denial by LeBron James Diep in this one.
Well, next play, ganun. P-hit, andun yung help. That's what he provides to the team. He's a rim protector. Kailangan bigyan mo ng minuto. Speaking of plus-minus, yan yung hindi ka nasasaktan eh. Both offensively and defensively. What?
Abad inside. Christian Abad, he's got the soft hands. I see with a slash to the hoop. Calyangan now with 9 points.
Atakihin na naman nila. Number 1 team when it comes to pace. Ito nakita mo, disiplinado, loaded. Early blitz to, kaya pinapatabi na ni Kines yung banda. No? Backline defense.
Kines drops in the triple. Gillian Kines had to feel good if you're Gillian Kines. I see drop off. Easy hoop for the Luna inside.
So ito yung ginawa ng game number 1. Whenever nandun lang, dinadot lang yung mga tira.
Calyangan with the save.
That's a free 3.
Send out Rosales. Off the back iron that time. Calyangan tracks it down. JD tries another one. Boom! JD Pagulayan finds the bottom of the net. It is now a 15-point lead for Perpetual.
Again, hinahunt nila si Abad. Dahil, tingnan mo, laging dun sa help side ni Abad, dun sila atake. Look, ayan na naman yung tempo.
Not the shot they wanted from Yutuk. Luna takes off. Again, it's Diep on the receiving end. And it is just pouring now for the Junior Altas. A 17-point lead. Kines drops his defender and nails the short stab. Fire extinguisher provided by Kines. They need more of that if they want to make a game out of this. 15-point lead for Perpetual.
Walang ginagawang iba yung Perpetual. They're just standing their ground, they're covering their space, and they're knocking down shots.
It's a miss for Corpus.
And that's LeBron Diep for you. That's who he is.
With the basket.
No, he would not create for himself. That is not his skill set. Turnover pa nito.
And now the pressure is starting to work for Perpetual, allowing them to grab their biggest lead, 19 points. Gomez from mid-range. No. Olayan corrals the board. Perpetual looking to break this game wide open. And we're just in the second frame.
Yep, you need to get stops here. You need to get consecutive stops. Get the ship. Good screen.
Pagulayan with the attack. No. Diep with another follow-up.
Bart, ito yung sinasabi ko sa last game pa. You need to involve LeBron Diep in screen actions. It's a screen away or a ball screen. So he would have space crashing down to get an offensive rebound or an open look.
LeBron James Diep is, back in his old form here. Coach Hammer back in his old self.
You know, screen and roll. crash boards, dyan siya may advantage kasi yung small forward siya.
Pagulayan. Corpus. Nope. Long board to Kines. Ahead to Osis. Easiest basket of the half for the Greenies.
And that's what they want to do. They want to force one attempt para makakuha sila ng transition basket. Yan lang naman yan. Stay disciplined.
Penetration by Velasquez. No go. Ooh! Odador was not able to make the catch. Pass inside. Corpus! And they can afford that because
lalim eh.
lalim ng lineup nila. Kines, squeezing one in. Ang daming pinagdaanan doon ni Gillian Kines bago nakuha yung basket. And here's Kines. Kines, uy! Nawala ang bola. Rosales, 3-on-2, lob. Uy! Ball goes to Rosales. Even their 50-50 ball is going the Alta's way. Not that time though. Ortega says, hold on. I got this. Oh, counted in the foul for Dale Ortega.
Kailangan check ni Dale Ortega yung emotions niya rito. Start pa lang ng game. Medyo mataas na yung emotions niya. I know it's an emotional game, but you have to understand the value that you provide for this team dahil you've been saddled with fouls. Ano naman yung pinakamaganda? Pinakita ni Coach Willie yung video.
Ayun ba?
Sila video.
May pa rin,
At saka he looks healthy. He looks healthy now.
Yeah. DJ Tabuan! Perpetual is now shooting 8 out of 15 from long distance.
Alam ko na ginawa nila sa practice kahapon. Panay spread shooting lang to. Si Coach Jock. Kasi nakikita mo yung shooting spots eh. Si Gian Gomez with a 3. Yung shooting spots, corner. Tapos yung mid-slice na yun sa gitna, libre. So alam mo na eh, yun yung drill nila na drill yesterday. Kasi sa film, yun din yung ibinibigay sa kanila ng LSGH. Ayun o, yun na naman. Yun na naman ang libre.
That's right. Ito, Rosales with a penetration.
Babalikin
score from the baseline.
Very, very subtle movements by LeBron Daep to open up a shooter. Hindi lang na-shoot, pero okay yun. Good movement.
Ison inside for Sharma who scores the deuce.
There you go. Itong si Ison was instrumental din in the Final Four. He was providing a lot of extra gusto, kumbaga, para sa kanilang koponan.
Isa sa mga veterano ng LSGH was in the Final Four in season 98 as Pagulayan scores on the roll.
Head coach Renren Ritualo ang pilit ginigising ang kanyang players. Paalala niya, we are shooting ourselves on the foot. The opponents had too many three-pointers when the simple solution is to stay defensively in front. Nakukulangan din siya sa kanilang mental toughness. Now, in order to pick themselves up, the Greenies need to remember their battle cry coming into the series, which is fear is temporary, regrets are forever. Martin and Coach Ham.
Thank you, Flo. Luna with the end one on the other end. Perpetual will open up a 23-point lead. Yung report ni Flo kanina, it will need to manifest quickly for LSGH because right now Perpetual is becoming unstoppable in this game.
Yeah.
Venus scanning for options. James Ison against a bigger defender. Kines, the whoa! Erased by Roluna.
Wala, talagang binablanket siya eh.
Smothering defense.
Block
Played
shots.
by Perpetual.
6 block shots by Perpetual compared to 1. But how about this? In bawat atake, 4 na tao, 5 in the shaded area. And that's what happens if the defense respects you.
So the Greenies gotta stop. Hardy Odador. Ito si Gian Gomez. 12 puntos ng ating first half. Odador. 4-3. Odador knocks it down.
They needed that. Bad turnovers, bad fouls. So you have to stay disciplined. It's a wide margin, but you need to stay the course, be disciplined to do what you're supposed to do, and not let the GH kids.
They regain control again. Kalyangan. IC is doubled. Kalyangan got the step. Too strong. Quick pass. Baldoria underneath. What a play for Kalyangan.
Palit Bumbilya, abot hanggang kornisa yung pagkaka-pihit ng bola eh.
We have to see that play again because
Heads up.
IC just made it happen that time. Here's the miss first. Split the D, got the step, missed the shot, got his own miss and the quick pass.
Oo, ayun o. Maikan drill, reverse Maikan.
The Greenies force the turnover. Bonador! Short. Gomez! No! Pulled down by Roluna.
Saka buong buo yung loob pag rumebound, dalawang kamay.
Kabuan, wala. Roluna cleans it up. Nagpasab na dito si Roluna. Nagpapasab.
Pinupulikat.
IC Kalyangan now. 3.5 to go in the third quarter. IC handles. IC takes it himself. Kalyangan scores the short jumper.
Yep, dahil Gian Gomez yung nakatapat sa kanya, he can easily elevate over him. Ayun o, nandun na naman. 5 ang nakapalibot kay Gillian Guinness. Naka-strong side help na nga. Wala na silang pakialam eh. Talagang loaded yung shaded area.
Doria tried to drop it off. Tabuan. Ito yung kick out papunta kay Pagulayan. Under 3 minutes to go.
Hilo.
Nakasil si Doria off the bank.
Galing nung pasa na yun. Ganda nung pasa. Actually, lead guard itong kagalangan. Magugustuhan ni Coach Olsen yan. Magugustuhan ni Coach Olsen yung ganyang player.
Botador! That's in the 3. That's his second one here in the third quarter.
Itong coming season natin in the seniors ranks. Pero tatapusin pa natin muna itong season 100.
Siyempre.
Alam mo naman ako, plugged in ako. Excited ako.
That's coming in a few months. I see. Attacks. Game of his life
Kaya
here.
na naman, offensive rebounding.
Kalyangan. Basket at the foul for IC Kalyangan.
Kita mo na yung game plan. Kayang isulat. Oh guys, talo tayo. Di tayo rebound. Offensive rebounding, number 1. Number 2, promesure tayo ng promesure. Tapos atakihin nyo ng atakihin. Atakihin nyo natin, atakihin. Relentless pressure.
Of these players and the way that they're playing on the same page.
So,
Bearing fruits.
Exactly. Binabalik nila sa one-on-one eh. Ginagawa nilang one-on-one. One-on-one. Sige, one-on-one nyo kami kasi kampante kami na dumipensa. And siguraduhin nyo na pag nag-bad shot kayo or turnover, ta-transition kayo kasi yan ang ginagawa namin everyday. Rarat-rat kami off a stop.
83-55 now. Salt to the wound for Perpetual.
Mahirap gawin yan. So, ngayon, kailangan milk the clock. Time score management, 26-point lead. Gawin mo ng 28.
That's too easy for JD Pagulayan.
Ngayon ko lang siya nakita ngumiti.
7:59.
Sa 3 taong kino-cover natin siya. Ngayon ko lang siya nakita ngumiti. Ano to eh, competitor to. Tsaka nung tumangkat eh. Tumangkat pa. Nung nagsisimula to, medyo chubby-chubby na maliit. Na 2 guard niya, small forward, lumaki pa. At saka may tira talaga siya sa labas.
Actually, pagbalik niya last season,
Tumangkat, no?
yun na.
Tumangkat
Oo.
tsaka nagkalaman. Well, pagka isang taong ka naman sa nasa programa na ganyan, dapat talaga makondisyon ka.
Even John Roluna, kapansin-pansin, got, beefed up, got some muscles in the off-season.
Lalong-lalo na pagka naglalaro ka ng 1 round lang. 1 round lang kasi ang NCAA Juniors.
Yeah.
You need to be in tip-top shape right away. Mahustle pa. Itong si Lebron Diet.
Playing it until the very end.
Yeah.
The MVP LeBron Diep with 10 points now and 12 boards. He took 26 shots in game number 2. That just tells you how well Perpetual is playing him defensively.
Today, ilan lang siya?
12.
Oh. So, you're looking at 2-foot gather umatake si Gillian Guinness eh. Lagi siyang ganun. Or he would read the defense. Catch and look muna to eh.
Oh! Gian Gomez is still at it. Of course, that's still a formidable Mapua team.
Husay
Despite
nun.
not having
dami
Mangupan and Mobilia.
No.
Wala na
Eh,
Mobilia.
gano'n naman yan. Pagka may nawawala, may dumarating.
Nedura! Wow! Umambag pa! Si Lance Nedura!
Pampakumpiyansa next year.
Gian Gomez. Brandon Yutuk off the bank for Yutuk. That's his first triple of the game. Might be a little too late for Yutuk. They are down here by 29.
10 assists.
I see enters double territory.
So ang question na ngayon is holding on to the players.
There's now continuity in the program. At meron na rin yun. Yung streamline, yung programa, pwede magpatuloy sa kolehiyo. As we see, this basket, everything going in now for Perpetual.
They would be putting this as a feather on their high school careers. But for those who have the opportunity to pursue further in their basketball careers, this would be a highlight. But for those who won't be progressing, this would be a very good memory to have. Being part of a champion squad.
This is a moment they will cherish and remember for the rest of their lives. And Perpetual hits the century mark. 101 points in game number 3. 9-second difference between the clocks. And we'll just wait it out. Zanoria bringing this one across. 12 seconds. 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. And the Junior Almas make history. They claim their first ever juniors basketball crown in the NCAA.
Hard-earned championship, deserving champion. They went back to their DNA of being a disciplined team in the third game. And you gotta tip your hat to the LSGH Greenies. They fought the good fight. But in the end, one team must win. And the ones who stuck with it took care of business and will be taking home some hardware and a lot of memories.
Redemption season is complete for Coach Jock Leopas and the rest of his guys. Look at them. Overwhelmed with emotion right now. And this is the moment they've all been waiting for in season 100. They are champions of NCAA season 100 juniors basketball.